Alright class, welcome to Module Siyam. Ngayon papasok tayo sa isang topic na ginagamit natin araw-araw kahit hindi natin napapansin. Probability. Halimbawa, kapag sinabi mong mukhang uulan mamaya o kaya feeling ko papasa ako sa exam. O minsan, sigurado akong babagsak si ano. Lahat ng iyan ay probability thinking. Ang ginagawa ng utak natin ay tinatansya kung gaano ka-likely mangyari ang isang bagay. In statistics, ginagawa lang natin itong mas precise. Probability simply asks one question. Gaano ka-likely mangyari ang isang event? At ang sagot ay laging nasa pagitan ng 0 at 1. 0 means impossible. 1 means certain. So probability is basically our mathematical language for uncertainty. Kasi sa buhay, hindi lahat sigurado, pero pwede nating sukatin ang chance. Alright, para mas malinaw ito, let's define probability properly. So, what exactly is probability? Definition muna. Probability is a measure of chance. Hindi siya feeling. Hindi siya hula lang. It is a numerical way of expressing likelihood. Kapag sinabi mong probability is 0.1, mababa ang chance. Kapag sinabi mong 0.8, mataas ang chance. Notice something important. Probability always lies between 0 and 1. Closer to 0 implies unlikely. Closer to 1 implies very likely. So when someone says the probability of rain is 0.9, that means almost certain. When someone says 0.05, medyo malabo. Simple lang ang ginagawa ng probability. It answers the question, gaano kaposible mangyari ito? Alright, theory is good. Pero mas malinaw lagi kapag may example. Let's start with something very basic. Coin toss. Kapag nag-flip ka ng coin, dalawa lang ang possible outcomes, heads or tails. So ang tinatawag nating sample space dito ay heads and tails. Now the question, ano ang probability na mag-heads? Simple lang. Ilan ang outcomes na gusto natin? 1. Heads. Ilan ang total possible outcomes? 2. Heads and tails. So probability equals 1 divided by 2. That is 0.5 or 50%. Notice something very important. Probability is always favorable outcomes divided by total possible outcomes. In this case, one favorable outcome out of two possible outcomes, which gives us 0.5 probability. So probability is not guessing. It is structured counting. Logical siya, clean siya. And once you understand this idea, madali na ang probability. Alright, now before we compute more probabilities, kailangan muna nating maintindihan ang isang foundation concept. Alright class, quick knowledge check tayo. Probability measures what? Option A, certainty only. Option B, level of intelligence. Option C, likelihood of an event. Option D, emotional prediction. Pause muna tayo sandali. Isipin ninyo, probability ba ay IQ test? Sinusukat ba nito kung gaano ka katalino ang isang tao? Hindi. Emotional prediction ba ito? Yung parang feeling ko mangyayari ito. Hindi rin. Option A says certainty only. Pero ang probability actually deals with uncertainty. Hindi certainty. So ano ang sinusukat ng probability? Likelihood of an event. Ibig sabihin, gaano kaposible mangyari ang isang bagay. Hindi sure. Hindi feeling. Likelihood. So the correct answer is option C. Probability measures the likelihood of an event. Okay. Kung malinaw yon, let's move to the next question. Second check. The range of probability is what? Option A, -1 to 1. Option B, 0 to 1. Option C, 1 to 100. Option D, 0 to 1,000. Pause muna. Think logically. Pwede bang negative ang probability? Minus 0.5 chance? Hindi. Because probability represents chance, and chance cannot be negative. Next question. Pwede bang 200% ang probability? Hindi rin, because probability is always part over whole. At ang part cannot exceed the whole. So the smallest possible probability is 0, meaning impossible event. And the largest possible probability is 1, meaning certain event. So the correct answer is option B, 0 to 1. Very important concept ito. Lahat ng probability problems sa statistics babalik sa rule na ito. Probability is always between 0 and 1. All right. Now, let's move to the next concept. Let's interpret a probability value. If probability is zero point 0.9, what does that mean? Option A, impossible. Option B, very unlikely. Option C, very likely. Option D, equal chance. Now imagine a number line from 0 to 1. 0 means impossible, 1 means certain. So where is 0.9? Malapit na malapit ito sa 1. So it means the event is very likely to happen. Hindi imposible, hindi unlikely, and hindi rin equal chance. Equal chance usually happens around 0.5. So the correct answer is option C, very likely. Important insight dito. Probability does not mean guarantee. Even 0.9, it's not the same as 1. It just means the event is highly likely. So probability speaks in degrees of likelihood, not in absolute certainty. And once you understand that mindset, statistics becomes much easier to understand.